Hi, and welcome to How to Make Money with Membership Sites in 2020, even if you're a complete beginner. My name is Dr. Pete, and I'm a dentist turned online entrepreneur. This is video number 5 in a mini-series on easy ways to make money online, and we'll concentrate on membership sites. In a minute, I will reveal the best niche to get into that will make you a lot of money. But first, what is a membership site? A membership site is a website that hosts content that is drip-fed to its readers. Typically, new content is released every month, but could be every week or every day. It's up to you. How do I set up a membership site? Well, first of all, you're going to need a platform to put your content on. There are many bespoke membership platforms on the web, and I've tried quite a few of them. And I've settled on one that is head and shoulders above the rest, but a bit more about that later. Now, what does a membership site need to have? Well, it needs the ability to lock content that is released by the site owner when certain criteria are achieved. This may be a point system, or after previous modules have been completed, or importantly, when payment is received. It needs secure password-protected entry to the site. This will allow users to access their own personal profiles. It needs a membership management to add and remove users and also to upgrade users when needed. And also needs payment options. This site will need to take credit card payments and PayPal. If a membership site platform fulfills these basic requirements, then it's worth looking at. For membership site requirements, ability to connect to other pages, ease of use, and great support, I found Kartra to be head and shoulders above all others. If you'd like your $1 trial for Kartra, then check out the first comment below this video. Now, to have a successful membership site, you will need to have good content so that members are excited by upcoming releases. You need to develop a community so members feel at home, can chat with other members and stay members longer. And you need to be able to monitor and track member activity so you can see when members leave and adjust the content to increase member time in the site. Now, what can membership sites contain? Well, the answer is anything digital. This can include blog posts, videos, interviews, music, photography, art, ebooks. The list is absolutely endless. But the main point is it needs to be entertaining enough to keep the member on your site and paying for the next month. If this happens, they win by getting valuable content and you win financially for the same content over and over again. If you get this right, there's an awful lot of money to be made. Now, regarding my earlier promise to reveal the best niche for a membership site to make a lot of money in, well, there are 3 evergreen niches that will make you tons of money. Well, first one is make money online, it's health, and relationships. All you need is a small piece of the pie in any of these niches to be very, very comfortable. If you would like to check out my amazing program that shows you step by step how to replace your income online, then go to online-deals.me/replace or click the first link in this comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified of any new videos as they are uploaded. The next video will be on making money with digital products, which is a huge market and getting bigger all the time. I will see you there.